Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz G-Class G550 4MATIC G-Wagon for sale. I'm going to do a quick video walkthrough tour, kind of going over some of the features of this vehicle. And of course, if you have any questions, you want to learn anything else, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. This vehicle will be on our showroom floor here, and we'd love to get you in for a test drive. Just reach out. So we have a white exterior, and we've got a black interior, heated and ventilated power memory seats. There we go. Driver's seat here, steering wheel, sunroof. And hopping inside, mileage currently at 4,275. We do have a push button ignition, and here we have our display loading up, and you'll see the ambient LED lighting throughout the vehicle. It's all fully customizable within the menu system. Here we have our navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that we've got our climate controls, we've got cup holder, we've got our switch for making adjustments to different sport modes. This will affect how the vehicle performs for you here. We also have touchpad here for making adjustments on your display, as well as the dial. You've got volume and whatnot for your entertainment system. Okay. All right, go ahead and hop out, show you the rest of the vehicle. This is equipped with the premium Burmester sound system, upgraded speaker system. Heated seats here in the rear as well. Rear seats do have a rear climate control, and quick peek back up front. Okay, come around to the back. We've got our G550 badging, Mercedes-Benz badging on the signature spare tire on the back of the vehicle. We've got our trunk here, lots of storage room, and of course you can always flip down those rear seats if you need. And that is the 2022 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon G550. If you're interested in learning more, we certainly didn't walk through all of the features here today. You can just reach out to us if you want to set up a test drive. And once again, this vehicle will be on our showroom floor. You can reach us at feldmanimports.com.